USP ka East KHASI Hills Rituraj Ravi mentakasngi uloong bakila dap ban kirpa na ke Bynta ban yo ya khatpra Pyrton ki Pulit Capf bat ki Pulit ka Jylla na ke Bynta ke Ilekshon Lok Sabha uloong bala dap manglupai ki Pyrton Pulit ha ke ba ula bernrap ru ha ke jo kapor ba ki Pulit ka Jylla kila penlong ya ke jing talasi kali bat jingkan ran na ke Bynta ke Ilekshon. Hagbaya day bat gajing batai bom IED hatem motor ki Pulit ka East KHASI Hills kila yok kem sa way ubriu balaya don kti hakani gajing ja. Hadin kani gajing syakem jong u laingut ki briu ki dep syakem hado menta.
First step, that election has been announced and MCC Model Code of Conduct has come into force. Keeping that in our mind and following ECI instructions, FST and SST teams have already been constituted and they are on job. That is one thing. Another is that we are conducting round the clock Naka checking, vice raids and maintaining proper and high level of vigil all across the city and all across the district. Third thing that we have requested the government to provide us with additional 11 companies of CAPF and 7 companies of SAP, that is State Armed Police. So total 18 companies of additional force we had projected. Out of that, 3 companies we have already received. That is 2 companies of CRPF, which was already being used in law and order duties, has now been converted to election duties. And 1 company of BSF we have received. So all these 3 companies are already deployed.